Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the antutu benchmark test results between the Samsung Galaxy F62 versus the Mi11 smartphone. So Mi11 is a premium end smartphone from the Mi company, and which has a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is also the top high-end processor from the Snapdragon series. And whereas the Samsung Galaxy F62 has got the Exynos 9825 processor, which is quite old processor, maybe close to 1.5 year old processor, which is used in the Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. But in this video, let's compare side by side. I know it's not a fair comparison, but let's see friends, how will the Exynos processor score is compared with the Snapdragon's latest 888 processor, and which is a very powerful processor. How much score will it be the difference between both the processors? Just in case if you're curious to know, this will be might helpful for you. So don't forget to check the links in description friend for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm using in my phones, as you can see here. So make sure to check the links in description for the wallpapers and even for the playlist for each and every smartphone as well. So don't forget to check the links in description below. So let's get started friends. First let me try to go through the specifications of the processor which is used. So as I said, the Samsung is using the Exynos 9825 processor, so which is quite a powerful processor, but from the 1.5 year old processor. That's why that is a problem in the Samsung Exynos, as you can see 9825, and which is a octa-core and 2.73 gigahertz, as you can see, and the RAM is of LPDDR4X RAM. So and the GPU is of Mali GPU, as you can see. And whereas Mi11 has got the Snapdragon 888 and the octa-core and more gigahertz, 2.84 gigahertz, and Adreno 660 GPU is used, and the RAM type is LPDDR5. So which is kind of latest RAM type which is present in the Mi11. So overall, in all the aspects, the Mi11 seems to be quite very powerful, which we all knew. And now let me try to quickly open the antutu benchmarks results, so you might be able to see the difference for yourself. So let me try to quickly open the antutu benchmark application and show you the results. As you can see friends, these are the quick results for the Mi11 smartphone, and it is a quick results for the Samsung Galaxy F62 as well. So let me try to increase the brightness so you can actually see it, as you can see friends. So there's a difference of, I think, close to maybe 2.5 lakhs difference is there between these both the phones, Mi11 versus the Samsung's Exynos processor. As you can see, there are, I think, 2.5 lakhs difference friends. That's a huge difference right now we are seeing here, as you can see here. And in terms of the GPU alone, we are seeing close to 2 lakhs, I think 1.5 lakhs of difference in CPU as well. So you can compare friends of both the phones, Samsung and the Mi11 here, so which will give you the clear idea where the Exynos position is right now in the 2021. So in 2021, we will be seeing a lot of phones coming with the Snapdragon 888 processor mainly. So I'll keep you posted friends with the upcoming phones as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for this kind of interesting videos and interesting comparisons as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.